So you put a little smoke in the hopes that it calms them down. And they're really active right now because of how warm it is.
Oh, I see.
Oh, look at that big spider.
How come there's so many on the ground? Like, what's the...
Well, some of it's because I don't have anything that comes in and cleans them up. And it's not very windy back here to blow them away. Also because...
So it's just normal. They only live for so long.
Yeah,
don't they?
and actually summertime is their shortest lifespan.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because they work so hard during the summertime. So that sound is the bee glue that they put on there to glue it shut. And what I'm hoping to see in here is honey. Because this top box and this one is the honey box. And it's one I haven't investigated since I put it on here. So let's see what it's looking like. So they've definitely made honey in it. or at least they've glued it down. So that's why I have my handy dandy Hive tool. Hi ladies. Wow, girls, it does not look like you've done much in the way of honey, but apparently just gluing things down. So they have not stored any honey yet in our honey box.
Wow.
But they've got a lot in the next box down.
But obviously they're staying in there and coming back because there's a queen in there.
Yeah, well, and this is called the queen excluder, and it makes it so that she can't get up in there to lay eggs, because you don't want baby bees in your honey.
Oh, I see. Yeeks.
So yeah, it looks like all they've done is glued them down some at the bottom. They have not stored any honey yet, which is a bummer.
So what does the gluing down do?
They just don't like cracks in their hive, so they will. A couple of ants there. And a spider. Let's kill that. Where'd it go? That was a very large spider.
Why do they get in there and eat things?
It's on the side.
Oh, they eat the bees.
They can eat the bees. The bees will actually kill them.
Oh.
Is it on the other side?
There's two of them.
Excuse me, ladies. Where'd they go?
On this side.
Are they on the back?
Yeah.
So if the bees get trapped in the water down there at the legs, do they drown?
They can. That's why I have rocks in there.
Oh.
I need to. It's to keep the ants out because we're having a horrible ant
I was
problem.
wondering ants or rodents or one of the two, like, 'cause
Yeah, we were having a really, really bad ant problem, and so I had to put the moats. But I need to clean them and restock them with fresh rocks.
from what I understand, cinnamon.
Yeah, I've heard that can help too.
Yeah. You can put some rocks without water and some cinnamon around it.
So this is the brand new hive.
So cute. Did your husband make that?
No, actually we bought it.
Bought it?
Yeah.
God,
It's called a flow hive, and it has a special honey box on it that you like turn a crank and it releases the honey. But I don't have the honey box on here yet because this is brand new.
So does it make it like
I'll show you.
make it fairly easy to do?
It's supposed to, yes. And I'll be able to show you. I can show you those frames when I'm done playing out here. Now this one, see, they haven't been in here as long, so the lid's not stuck down.
Oh my gosh!
Hi, ladies.
Look at that! That is so cool!
So what I'm looking for, I want to be really careful with these ladies because these ladies, there could be a queen in here, and I'm hoping that there is. But I obviously don't want to do anything to hurt the queen.
Well, you don't have to do it in the sake of showing us anything.
Oh no, I want to look to see that they're building comb. So I'm going to grab this frame really carefully. Now these frames are different. These frames
at how neat that is. Oh my god.
These frames are open. They don't have the background for them to build on.
Yeah.
So they have to build all of the comb.
Which is serious.
Yeah.
Is
And
that
so I'm
good
just,
or bad?
it's good. It doesn't, it's no
Then
difference.
you can break it free without having to tag it off of there somehow, right? Out
Yeah.
of the...
Yeah, so here's some comb that
Wow.
they've started building.
That is insane. Oh my god. That is... Oh my god. Smilla is insane. It's so fun
So
to see.
there's-
Girls, can you see that?
Yeah.
Oh, you should come over here where you can see it closer.
Here, I'll hold this one up because this next one's got even more on it. So the frames are made to go space apart.
Wow. That's your new frame since you got these bees?
Yes, they've built all of that in 2 weeks.
That is... Amber, can you see that, babe?
Yeah.
I got pictures too, so...
Yeah, so that's just 2 weeks worth of building. But I'm not seeing. I'm seeing some honey.
They certainly
Oh,
don't mind.
there's
but
some
you-
there's some cap cells, so that's good.
They certainly don't mind that you pull them out like that, huh?
No, not too much. I'm just being really careful. It's inevitable that you squish some, but I obviously don't want to squish the queen. Oh, sorry, babies. Okay, good. This has got some caps. So they're definitely building comb, which is excellent. I don't spot the queen, but
And she's obvious to sight bigger? Or what?
yeah,
How do you identify her?
she's pretty obviously bigger. The other thing I'm looking for. Yep, there's babies. So that means I have.
What do you see?
Take a picture of that side if you have it, or
Oh wait, yeah, that's a good sign.
you get that, Melissa? So only the queen will lay eggs. Because only the queen's been bred. So if I've got brood, that means that I have a queen that's laying eggs. So I'm not going to keep it. I know what's in there.
That's just not nice.
I need a tape. I don't want to squish anybody. That back up.
Wow. So cool.
This back.
What's the percentage do you think you lose? One just flew right in my face.
Yes, they will do that.
From getting it from your friend. The amount that you got, how many do you think stay?
They'll all stay as long as I got the queen.
Wow.
Yeah, so as long as I got the queen, don't sting me through my shoe. Please don't sting me through my shoe. I don't know which time you belong to.
How do they know which one to go into?
Pheromones.
They're loyal?
Pheromones. They can smell their queen. And since they can smell her, they know which hive to go to. That's their escape route. Or the rocks. It's the best way I've found to keep the ants out. She's dead.
they go up and eat the honey.
Yep. Yep, they will get up in there and they will wreak havoc on the honey. And that was a quick little